So let's take a look at what you get in the box with one of these NF-A14 fans from Noctua. Of course, this is the most premium fan they make, and it is, in my opinion, the best fan you can get on the market. Very silent and just moves a lot of air. And of course, like I said, this is the 140mm variant. You can get this model in various different sizes. I believe it ranges all the way down to 80mm or even below that. And of course, you can find a lot of the specifications here on the box, alongside a lot of details on the back here in various different languages. Of course, Noctua, they have spent a lot of time engineering these fans, so you know you get close to perfection. And you can also see here inside of the box a lot of details on the blade design and various things here. Alongside you can have a little peek at the fan itself. On the back as well, you can also open the box here and have a look at all of its features and what this fan can do. And of course, you get a lot of warranty with one of these. I believe it's 6 years of warranty. So yeah, let's just have a closer look at its content. Open up this box and see what we actually get. Of course, that's all we get in the box. So let's move that out of the way here and have a closer look at its content. You get a quick start instructions just to get you quickly started. Of course, Noctua logo right there, those brown colors, and more specifications of the fan, and of course warranty and support and stuff like that. Let's get to the main person or the main item of this unboxing. Of course, the fan itself. Very nice quality. Does feel like it's made of high quality plastic and just so smooth. There's no real mist noises using Noctua fans, which I find a lot of other fans do have with lower RPMs, have some self noise, but Noctua is very close to self noise free. Of course, you have this rubber stoppers here in each corner on each side to just minimize some of the vibration. And of course, that beautiful brownish Noctua design. They also make black versions now, I believe, also of this one here. But of course, this is the PWM fan, so you have the 4 pins here, and it is 25mm in thickness as well. So it's fairly standard, and like I said, 140mm. You also get a low noise adapter. You can just stick this between your motherboard and the fan, and it will will reduce the RPM, the maximum RPM, and this way it will be a little quieter. And of course, you also get an extension cable, so you can just extend the cable on the fan itself. It's not really a long cable that's attached to the fan, so you probably need something like this if you're going to mount it to a case and the header on the motherboard is further away. Of course, you also get a Y cable or splitter cable, so you can connect 2 fans to one header on the motherboard. One of them is the master here, and the other one with the 3 pin is the slave cable. So the first fan will control both the speeds. And of course, you also get some screws, fan screws, just standard silver fan screws, no fancy black ones here. And of course, it's more than enough. Also get some rubber mounts or rubber mounting, so you can mount it to your case, and this way you could minimize vibrations even further. So just put them in between the case and the fan like this and pull this end, and then this way you can mount it and have a completely screwless mounting system, and like I said, minimize hopefully some more vibrations, bringing all the vibrations almost to zero. So yeah, very nice. I really, like I said, like Noctua fans. I have tried several other brands. I always end up going back to Noctua. They are a little more expensive maybe than some of the cheaper ones out there, but definitely worth it. And you could get almost a silent system, which is definitely the thing I'm going for. Of course, you can find a link down in the description if you want to check them out. Else, I hope to see you again in a future video. But that's been it for this one. Take care.